loaded up and heading out for Smoky Mountain Truck Fest. We're going to try and do some event coverage on the whole weekend, show you all what the show's about, and we're going to try and have a good time. We are going to have the race truck on the Dyno. Hopefully it doesn't break, but no promises on that one. She's kind of known for it. But got the single cabs, both loaded up. I got all the long beds out today. So the dually's a long bed, and both single cabs are long beds. So it's a good looking setup. But let's take a look. Sorry for the wind noise and the shakiness. I'm doing this outside and it is very windy in Crossville right now. Got the single cab loaded up. We just picked it up from being ceramic coated. And boy, it looked good when we picked it up, but we got in some rain on the way home. So it's a little dirty, but we have a detail scheduled, so it'll be okay. But single cab's looking good. Got the race truck's new wheels on with the floaters. So I called Chris over at JTX how to make me a matching set. So if you'll notice, 2212 Empires, 2616 Empires. So matching wheels on the trucks because we're extra like that. Also got matching floaters. Went all polished on this one. Thinking about making the next set black faces though. But we got all the trucks loaded up, ready to go, taped off. We're expecting a little bit of rain, hopefully not too much, but let's get on the road. See y'all there. Yeah. You're good, you got plenty. about to go. Okay, everybody, we just got the drag truck off the dyno. It made a little bit over 1,000 due to it spinning. We made 3 pulls, but it was spinning, and then the nitrous was too cold, so it didn't really do anything. We got the bottles out. We're gonna warm them up with a torch, and we're gonna try and swap wheels and tires. I've got new tires on there, and they were spinning and not enjoying life right now. So we're gonna get the truck all prepped. I'm gonna swap the wheels because I do want to see a big number out of it today. But she's still good, nothing broke, but it is starting to rain. So we're gonna get her sealed back up and go ahead and change these wheels. We're currently pulled over for a tint ticket, and as you know, our tint's a little illegal, so we kind of earned that one, but taking the ticket, they're just doing their job. He's back there writing my ticket right now. Probably going to be a good one, but it'll be okay. Hashtag Rod Run. So the single cab got top 30 at Smoky Mountain Truck Fest out of probably 300 or 400 trucks. Pretty proud of her. She's on a winning streak right now. She has been to 3 shows and took a trophy home at every show. So we got a Best Dodge trophy, a top 100 at Obie, and then we got top 30 at Smoky. But huge thanks to everybody that stopped by just to talk to me. Met a lot of great people and had a lot of people come by and grab some merch and stuff that had followed the truck on Tik Tok. We are going to get some shirts made with the single cab on it, and hopefully have them for the next event. So appreciate everybody that came by, but we're gonna get loaded up and head back to Tennessee. Well, I mean, we're in Tennessee, but we're gonna go home. See y'all.